Hey Arctic Warriors, what's up? Arctic Phoenix here. Man, this was a brutal loss. I mean, it's not official yet because Malik Neighbors hasn't played, but I might as well be 4-4 at this point. I mean, yeah, I could go over like the fact that Kyle Pitts, Jake Elliott, and Puka Nacua all had more points on the bench, but then again, would, could, shoulda. But what really pissed me off was the Niners defense. You had Dak Prescott on the ropes, and you had Ceedee Lamb locked down for most of the game. I mean, and yet Ceedee Lamb somehow got 2 touchdowns with Dak Prescott because the Niners defense forgot how to defend. All you had to do was lock down the damn Lamb, Niners. You gotta be kidding me. I mean, yeah, didn't matter. Baker Mayfield had 22.3 fantasy points. Didn't matter. Bijan Robinson had 23.5. Didn't matter. Mark Andrews had 14 points. It didn't matter. Kareem Hunt had 13.3. None of that matters because the Niners defense had one job and they totally blew it. I mean, there's still 6 games left in the season. There's still time to turn around. But geez Louise, Niners. Niners defense cost me this week. Unbelievable. I mean, don't know what else there is to say. Also, CeeDee Lamb sucks. He's overrated. Thank you. Have a nice day. Peace.